Massachusetts is the most productive state in the U.S., consistently ranking at the top of the list. Imagine this small northeastern region transforming into an economic powerhouse, drawing admiration and even envy from many other states. Massachusetts knows exactly how to maximize its potential. It all starts with world-class universities like Harvard and MIT, followed by rapidly growing industries in technology, healthcare, and finance. This is further supported by a deeply ingrained culture of research, keeping Massachusetts ahead of the curve when it comes to innovation. Here, science and business go hand in hand, creating a highly productive ecosystem. Massachusetts is known for having one of the most highly educated workforces in the U.S. According to data from the U.S. Census Bureau in 2023, 52% of adults in the state hold a bachelor's degree, far exceeding the national average of around 35%. This high level of education makes the workforce here exceptionally competitive in advanced technology and research industries. In fact, Massachusetts is frequently recognized as the smartest state in America due to the combination of its education system, healthcare quality, and skilled workforce. This fact is further validated by a 2024 report from the World Population Review, which ranks Massachusetts at the top, with an average IQ of approximately 104.3, the highest among all U.S. states. Of course, this number didn't appear out of nowhere. It is the result of a strong education system starting from early childhood. One key factor is a deep-rooted reading culture, making Massachusetts residents among the most avid readers in the country. As we know, Massachusetts is home to two world-renowned universities. Harvard University in Cambridge consistently ranks among the top 3 universities globally, while MIT often holds the #1 spot for innovation and technology. These institutions serve as hubs for research and business development, fostering successful startups in fields like artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and renewable energy. In fact, MIT is credited with giving birth to more than 30,000 active companies, generating millions of jobs worldwide. On the other hand, Massachusetts holds a strong position in biotechnology, software development, robotics, and green energy. The Boston-Cambridge area alone is home to more than 1,000 biotechnology companies, making it one of the largest biotech clusters in the world. In 2023, venture capital investments in Massachusetts' tech sector exceeded $35 billion, the second highest in the U.S. after California. Notably, the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine was developed by a Cambridge-based company, a result of close collaboration with MIT. Although Massachusetts is not a state that relies on heavy manufacturing or natural resources, its economy thrives on knowledge-based industries. This means that the state's key sectors demand a highly skilled workforce with strong technical expertise and advanced education. That's why Massachusetts is often referred to as the hub of the smart economy. Most jobs in Massachusetts aren't just ordinary positions. They require degrees, deep research, and continuous innovation. A 2023 report from the Massachusetts Executive Office of Labor revealed that over 40% of jobs in the state are concentrated in professional, scientific, and technological fields. This makes Massachusetts a prime destination for workers with strong analytical, research, and technical skills. The capital city, Boston, and its surrounding areas have become headquarters for thousands of world-class companies. From Moderna in biotechnology to Akamai Technologies in IT and State Street Corporation in finance, these industry leaders not only drive the local economy, but also solidify Massachusetts' reputation as a global innovator in these three key sectors. Additionally, the state is home to over 100 major financial firms managing assets worth trillions of dollars, playing a direct role in the global market. With an economy driven by knowledge-based industries, it's no surprise that Massachusetts ranks among the states with the highest salaries in the U.S. The latest data from 2025 shows that the average annual salary for workers in Massachusetts is around $76,600, significantly higher than the national average of $59,500. In fields like biotechnology, IT, and finance, salaries can even reach between $100,000 and $150,000 per year. Boston itself is one of the cities with the highest concentration of millionaires in the U.S., most of whom have made their wealth in technology and investment. It's no surprise that Massachusetts consistently ranks among the states with the best quality of life in the United States. It's not just about high salaries. Residents here benefit from strong infrastructure, top-tier healthcare, and progressive social policies that enhance overall well-being. According to U.S. News and World Report in 2023, Massachusetts ranked in the top 5 states for quality of life. The state has lower incarceration rates, lower juvenile detention rates, and lower violent crime rates compared to the national average. Massachusetts is also a regular contender on the list of the best states to raise a family, thanks to its strong safety measures and excellent education system. Additionally, the state boasts a high per capita income, reaching approximately $84,900 per year, significantly above the national average of $65,400. This translates to stronger purchasing power for residents, coupled with a relatively low unemployment rate. Massachusetts also has a well-developed public transportation system, particularly in the Boston area, which is home to one of the oldest subway networks in the U.S. When it comes to healthcare, the state was the first in the country to implement universal health insurance through Mass Health, ensuring that nearly all residents have coverage. In fact, the Commonwealth Fund 2023 recognized Massachusetts as the state with the best healthcare system in the U.S., citing both accessibility and quality of services. Beyond that, Massachusetts is known for its highly progressive social policies. The state offers strong worker protections, financial assistance for low-income families, and even free community college programs to support accessible education for all. Despite being known as an elite state with a strong economy, Massachusetts faces significant challenges. High salaries in the state come with an equally high cost of living, which can be overwhelming. According to Numbeo 2024, Boston ranks among the 10 most expensive cities in the U.S., especially when it comes to housing. The median home price in Massachusetts has surpassed $600,000, while the average rent for a one-bedroom apartment in Boston is around $3,000 per month. Due to these soaring costs, many young professionals, including graduates from Harvard and MIT, are choosing to relocate to other states where housing is more affordable. Despite its high income levels, Massachusetts also struggles with economic inequality. A 2023 report from the Massachusetts Budget and Policy Center highlighted that the income gap between the wealthy and lower income groups continues to widen, particularly in urban areas like Boston and Cambridge. While tech sector employees enjoy lucrative salaries, workers in service industries, restaurants, and transportation often have to make ends meet on minimum wage. Additionally, Massachusetts is projected to lose nearly $1 billion in annual revenue by 2030, as high taxes and skyrocketing housing costs push wealthy residents to move elsewhere. The trend of residents leaving Massachusetts for other parts of the U.S. has accelerated since the pandemic, largely due to the rise of remote work, which allows people to live farther from their offices. If this trend continues, by 2030, an estimated 96,000 residents, collectively earning around $19.2 billion, are expected to leave the state each year. Massachusetts also faces fierce competition, not just from within the U.S., like Silicon Valley, but also from global powerhouses such as China and Germany, which are aggressively advancing in technology and high-tech manufacturing. The innovation that once served as Massachusetts' greatest strength is now being challenged by the rapid pace of global technological development and the intense battle for foreign investment. Many tech startups originally founded in Massachusetts have relocated to California or even overseas, lured by more attractive tax incentives and lower operational costs. The big question is, can other states or countries replicate Massachusetts' strategy to achieve similar economic success? Theoretically, yes, by adopting Massachusetts' key principles of prioritizing education, research, and a highly skilled workforce. However, putting this into practice requires a long-term commitment, substantial investment, and careful adaptation to local conditions. It's not as simple as flipping a switch. The real challenge lies in implementing the core principles, building a strong education system, fostering innovation, and establishing collaboration between universities, industries, and the government. When it comes to a successful knowledge-based economy, Massachusetts stands as a clear example. Through its long-term focus on education, innovation, and technology, the state has built an economic engine that is not only strong, but also globally recognized. However, its prosperity didn't happen overnight. It is the result of years of serious investment in human capital and cutting-edge research. That said, success comes with its own price. Despite its achievements, Massachusetts continues to grapple with major challenges, such as skyrocketing living costs and widening economic inequality. So, while many regions aspire to follow in its footsteps, it's just as crucial to recognize that maintaining a balance between growth and equity remains an ongoing challenge to this day.